change the flywheel and the clutch, and it calls to do the misfire monitor neutral profile correction. So here's how you do it in Forscan. Go down, hit the play button. Okay. Got to make sure the engine is warmed up and yada yada yada. Go ahead and set the switch to high speed. You can. I've toggled the switch over. Go ahead and be ready to press the gas pedal when it's ready. Oh, look at there. Okay. Well, we actually need to let it warm up a little bit, so that's good to see. I'm going to pause the video from here. Alright, and let's give this a go, see if we're warm enough. Hit the play button. Okay. Got to set it in the high speed position. Okay. Okay. Raise the engine speed to 44. 50. Gotta love that straight pipe.